Today, I'll show you how to delete active sessions on Cursor.Ai so you can make sure only the devices you trust are logged into your account. This is especially useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, lost a device, or just want to tighten up your security and start fresh. We'll keep this simple and move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to see where your account is logged in and how to remotely log out of any of those sessions. First, you'll need to sign in to your Cursor account. Open your browser and go to the Cursor website, then log in with your usual credentials. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official site and not a lookalike, especially if you're typing in your password. Once you're logged in, look for the settings area. This is usually found either under your profile icon at the top corner of the page or in a menu labeled something like Account or Settings. Click that to open your account settings. Inside the settings area, you're looking for a section labeled Active Sessions, Logged In Devices, or something very similar. This is the part of your account that shows every device and location where your Cursor account is currently signed in. It might show details like the type of device, the browser, the approximate location based on IP, and the time it was last active. Take a moment to scan through this list. You're basically getting a quick snapshot of everywhere your account is currently open. This can be a really good habit to build. If you ever notice a device you don't recognize, a strange location, or a browser you've never used, that can be a sign that someone else has access to your account. Even if everything looks familiar, it's still smart to clean up old sessions from time to time, especially from public or shared devices. Now, to delete an active session, look at each entry in the active sessions section. Next to each one, there should be a button or link that says revoke, log out, or something along those lines. This is what you use to end that particular session. When you click revoke or log out for a session, that device will be signed out of your Cursor account. The next time someone tries to use Cursor on that device, they'll be asked to log in again. Go through the list and revoke any sessions you don't recognize, no longer use, or simply don't need. For example, if you once logged in from a work computer, a friend's laptop, or a temporary device, it's a good idea to log those out now. If you want to be extra careful, you can revoke all sessions except the one you're currently using. That way, you know that any other device trying to access your account will have to sign in again with your password. After you've finished revoking sessions, it's also a good moment to think about updating your password if you saw anything suspicious. A strong, unique password combined with regularly clearing old sessions keeps your account much safer. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your settings, checked your active sessions, and revoked the ones you no longer want. In just a few minutes, you've taken an important step towards securing your Cursor.AI account and keeping control over where and how it's being used.